All right, you guys, so here we go, and we have pliers. And we just went over that toolkit that we just went over, and remember when I was saying about the pliers, you could strip them at the same time, cut them and everything, and we're still at the pliers that only cut. More pliers, again, same thing. We're looking for innovation, you guys, innovation. But they are a good price though, these cobalt ones. Mini hammer. You know, people was getting on me for having a pink hammer. Now look. Pink, blue, green, same price. Little utility knives. So this is their little color scheme they got going. All right. I did this with my son one time. Like we had a birdhouse that we put together a long time ago. Have one of these already. All right, mini toolbox. Yeah, not worth it for me. This is cool. $12. Might be something interesting. Cool drill holster. But we already have that. But that's a good price though. Just went over a laser. No, nothing. I like the way it's shaped. Very nice. Nah, I still want something cool, you guys. I'm looking for a cool tool. $20. This is humongous. And you have your own stand. So that's nice. So we have lights. Ooh, that's pretty bright. What about the headlamp? That's okay. 850 lumens, 1,000 lumens, turbo mode. Yeah, that's why it's regular. These ratchet sets cost too much. Ooh, I do need this. You have a little socket sets, Cobalt performance screwdriver sets. This one looks roughed up. Do we have anything fun, interesting? Okay, so we have sockets here. Some big boys for $39. Little mini wrenches. Oh, this is cool. They color coded. That's nice. This is just like the orange hammer that I reviewed, you guys. I love these hammers, how you can just pre-nail right there. Very nice. All right, you guys, and this is the final thing in Lowe's that I'm looking at. So this one is $2.99, and the US General is $2.79 right now. But like I said, last year they went down to $1.79, and I don't know. I'm just frustrated with myself, but just like the US General, they have the different colors on it, and I'm not paying $2.99. I'm just not. But I am looking for a new toolbox, just like the US General and the Craftsman, and this one is definitely cool. I would like it in purple, and I know I'm talking like I'm asking a salesman, or I'm telling the salesman how I want it, but yeah. So I want mine in purple, you guys. I think it will go good with my garage. I don't want black no more. The gray will be fine. Definitely not doing white. Red is the most common. So I want purple. Outlets on the side. Oh, okay. Now that's game changing right there. I don't know if US General does that. Oh, USB. Oh man. If they go down like $100 more or $50 more, then that would be good. But yeah, so that's it for the Black Friday Lowe's. I am 2 weeks before Black Friday, so we'll come back again maybe a week before Black Friday and then a few days before Black Friday to see if we have any price cuts from now. And that will be it, you guys. Follow, subscribe to the channel.